Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is International Islamic University, Islamabad Schools, Sahiwal Campus online lectures. This lecture is for grade 4 English and we are doing unit number 21, which is extract from a novel. This is second lecture from unit number 21. In this lecture, we are going to cover the first section of exercise from this unit, which is question answers. You can find the questions on students book page 117. For your today's classwork, as you know that you have to write down all the questions and their answers in your classwork notebook, so please open your English classwork notebook and prepare classwork page by writing date and day on the top of the page. You will write down topic, which is extract from a novel, and the subtopic is question answers. So you know that for your classwork you must have to prepare your index with serial number, date and topic. So please prepare it. Dear grade 4 students, I hope that you know that you must have your English students book, your English classwork notebook and your complete stationery with you, because you need to write down the questions and answers in your classwork notebook and you have to learn things from your book. So, and I hope that you are listening all the lectures very attentively and carefully and following all given instructions by your teacher and completing your all classworks and homeworks, and never forget to send your notebooks and books for checking to school every mentioned day. Okay, please open your English students book page 117, where the questions are given, and these questions are as extracted from the story New Boy. So it will not be very difficult for you to answer these questions. I will give you the answers here and you have to write down these questions and answers in your English classwork notebook. So please write down the first question, which is how long had Usman lived in Jhing? Do you remember? Usman हैदराबाद से आए थे झिंग के एक विलेज में, और उन्हें कितना टाइम हुआ था आए हुए? You can find out the answer of this question in page 116, where this story begins. And the first line is that Usman Ahmad had lived in the village of Jing for a week now. यानी कि उस्मान को वहाँ आए हुए कितना वीक हुआ था? 1 week हुआ था. Usman had lived in Jing for 1 week. Write down these questions and answers. Make sure to write down everything very neatly. Your pencil should be sharp and your eraser should be neat. And do your classworks and homeworks very neatly. Question 2 is, who says that Usman can't join the club? वो 3 friends जो उन्हें मिले थे उनमें से किसने कहा था कि उस्मान can't join the club? It was Ustad who said this. Ustad says that Usman can't join the club. Question 3 is, why does Usman want to join the club? Which words tell you? उस्मान चाहता था कि वो क्लब ज्वाइन करे, और अगर आपका आंसर येस है तो आपको इसकी रीज़न भी देना होगी. हाउ डिड यू फाइंड आउट दैट उस्मान वांटेड टू जॉइन द क्लब? वी कैन फाइंड ऑन पेज 116 दैट उस्मान ने खुद उनसे पूछा था कि मे आई जॉइन. व्हेन they answered that no, it's a secret club, you have to pay and all that, and then Usman offered them that I will pay to join. इसका मतलब क्या है? यहाँ से हमें ये पता चल रहा है कि उस्मान चाहता था कि वो उनका क्लब ज्वाइन करे. So the answer is that Usman was lonesome. He wanted very much to have friends. Question number 4 is, what sort of person is उस्ताद? उस्ताद कैसा आदमी था? What do you remember about उस्ताद grade 4? आपने कल वाले लेक्चर में उस्ताद के बारे में और शेरा और who was their third friend? It was छोटे. You learned about them. तो आपको क्या याद है? उस्ताद कैसा पर्सन था? He was a naughty and bossy boy. So उस्ताद is a very cunning boy. हमें कैसे पता चला कि वो कनिंग था? क्योंकि वो अपने दोनों फ्रेंड्स की कोई भी बात नहीं मानता था और उनको कोई भी डिसीजन नहीं लेने देता था, और जो दूसरे दोनों फ्रेंड्स थे, छोटा और शेरा, वो उसको फॉलो करते थे और वो उनकी बात को मना करके अपनी बात उनके ऊपर मुसल्लत करता था। तो उस्ताद वॉज अ वेरी कनिंग बॉय। ये बात हमें यहाँ से भी पता चलती है कि जब उस्मान ने कहा कि आई विल पे टू जॉइन और साथ ही उन्होंने अपनी पॉकेट में हाथ डाला, तो जो उस्ताद था वो फ़ौरन से कनिंग वे में वो कहने लगा कि क्या आप दोगे हमें, और उसकी तरफ देखने लगा एक अजीब सी स्माइल के साथ। तो इन सारी बातों से हमें पता चलता है कि उस्ताद वॉज अ कनिंग बॉय। Question number 5 is, it wasn't in his favor means they were saying. It wasn't in his favor. Okay, here three statements are given and you have to pick the correct one. A is good things about Usman. B is nothing about Usman. C is bad things about Usman. तो इट वॉजेंट इन हिज फेवर का क्या मतलब है? बैड थिंग्स अबाउट उस्मान। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज दे व्हील्ड अराउंड। दे व्हील्ड अराउंड, जब उसने अपनी पॉकेट में से वो मार्बल्स निकाले तो वहाँ पे ये सेंटेंस है कि ऑन पेज 116 लास्ट पैराग्राफ, दे व्हील्ड अराउंड। इसका क्या मतलब था? कि वो तीनों उसके इर्द गिर्द इकट्ठे हो गए। एंड हियर द ऑप्शंस आर गिवन दैट they turned slowly, or they spun round several times, or they turned around quickly. So the correct answer is option C, they turned around quickly. Mark this option tick on your book. Question 7 is, what does Ustad mean when he says you got to prove yourself first? जब उस्मान ने कहा कि मैं आपका क्लब ज्वाइन करना चाहता हूँ, and Ustad said that you have to prove yourself, तो उस वक्त उस्ताद क्या कहना चाह रहा था? एक्चुअली he has to do something to show that he will be good enough to be in the club. अब उस्ताद को अपना फ्रेंड बनाने के लिए एक तो उस्ताद को ऐसा कोई बंदा चाहिए जो उसका लड़ाई झगड़े में साथ दे सके, दूसरा उस्ताद को कोई ऐसा फ्रेंड चाहिए जो उसकी बात भी मान सके, उसको अपना बॉस समझ के रखे। तो इसलिए उस्ताद ने कहा कि यू हैव टू प्रूव योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट। ओके, वी हैव डन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in our classwork notebook, and now question number 8 is remaining here. So let's discuss our today's homework. Please open your diary and note it down. If you haven't written date yet, you will write it down, and then subject English, and then you will note down your homework, which is learn questions from 1 till 7 from page 117 of your student's book, and you have to do question number 8 on your English homework notebook. And question number 8 is, would you like to be a member of Ustad's club? Why or why not? Okay, अब आपको पता है कि वो तीनों कैसे फ्रेंड्स थे, उस्ताद कैसा उनका लीडर था, तो आप ये बताएंगे कि आप क्या उनके फ्रेंड बनना चाहेंगे या नहीं? Okay, for me, if I give the answer of this question, then I would say that I would never want to become the member of Ustad's club, because the reason is that उस्ताद doesn't want कि उसका कोई और फ्रेंड उस क्लब के डिसीजन ले सके, और उस्ताद किसी दूसरे को बोलने ही नहीं देता। सो मैं तो बिल्कुल भी उस्ताद की फ़्रेंड नहीं बनना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि उसके सारे फ्रेंड्स को उसको ही फॉलो करना पड़ता है। यू विल गिव योर आंसर and you will give your reason in your English homework notebook. Now another homework is from workbook. You have to do workbook page number 82, question 1 and 2 on workbook page number 82. Okay, grade 4 students, good luck for your today's homework. Allah Hafiz.